Streamlabs Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Streamlabs, a comprehensive streaming platform designed to help content creators enhance their live streams with powerful tools for customization and engagement. Links to the product are in the description below. Streamlabs is made for streamers of all levels, from beginners to professionals, offering everything needed to deliver high-quality live streaming experiences on platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook. One of the standout features of Streamlabs is its ease of use. The interface is intuitive, making it simple for new streamers to get started. It offers a variety of pre-built themes and templates for stream overlays, alerts, and widgets, so you don't need to be a graphic designer to make your stream look professional. These customizable themes can be easily modified to match your brand or personality, adding a personal touch to your broadcast. Another key feature is Streamlabs' integration with popular streaming platforms and tools. You can connect your Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook account directly to the app, allowing seamless streaming with minimal setup. The platform also offers features like live chat integration, alerts, and donation tracking, which are essential for interacting with your audience and growing your community. Streamlabs offers both free and premium plans. The free version provides access to the essential features, while the premium subscription unlocks more advanced tools like multi-streaming, cloud backups, and access to a larger selection of themes and overlays. If you're a content creator looking to take your stream to the next level, Streamlabs offers a variety of tools to help you grow your audience and improve the quality of your broadcast. In terms of performance, Streamlabs provides stable, high-quality streaming with low latency, ensuring your viewers have a smooth experience. The platform is well optimized for resource efficiency, so even if you're running on a lower-end PC, it should still perform well. Overall, Streamlabs is an excellent tool for anyone serious about live streaming. Whether you're just starting or already have an established following, it provides all the tools you need to succeed in the world of live streaming. Check out the links in the description to get started.